support and resistance, where it matters, trend lines and channels. Okay. So if somewhere you feel like you're not getting me, just feel free to ask. Okay. So like when we speak of trading, there's just two types of analysis, which really are core. You can say a third one, but basically it's two: fundamental and technical. Okay. So fundamental analysis, as you can think, that's like what they say is the more important stuff, but that's like the bigger stuff. The economy, you understand? Because the economy of a country directly or indirectly affects the value of the currency, okay? As well as big economic news like oil, price of oil. If some countries are major oil exporter, it will affect their currency. Like South Africa, gold, the rand will be affected, okay? Inflation rate, all this plays in. Unemployment, GDP levels, interest rate. For when you look at shares, mergers of companies and all that kind of thing, seasonal demand of certain products as well. Okay, so these are all fundamentals. Okay, but as retail traders, we do not ignore. I want you guys to understand this. We do not ignore fundamentals. Okay, but we're more concerned with with technical analysis. We don't ignore fundamentals because they do have an impact, but we don't trade them. But we don't. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, perfect.
It's like, for example, let me just give you an example. You get many guys who say, I don't trade the news, don't trade the news. If you have analyzed the chart, you're just about to place a trade, and all of a sudden, the US Fed is giving a speech. He just decides to give a speech at that moment. They'll just open the spread immediately on those places. Yeah, can you hear me? Hello? So basically, all what I'm saying is be aware of what's happening in the news. Okay. Are we there, guys?
Yes, I'm here.
So it's important to like I'm saying, even as we get into this method of market maker method, you'll realize and you'll see that the market makers, they use the news to move price, either to stop hunt guys or to move price in that direction. Then they'll just give an excuse to say, oh, the GDP, the unemployment figures, the NFP, the payroll, all this. They just use all those news. So it's important to know what big news is coming up, okay? Because that's when they open up the spread. That's when the markets become volatile. You know the economic calendar, right? You guys know the economic calendar?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, as you can see, today's news. So I use investing.com. It shows you what pair is likely to be affected, right? And you can see the 3 stars is normally the one. Like here, you see you've got Aussie news coming up. I'm on American time here. But anyway, Aussie news coming up. You can see 3 stars there, so that's going to move. They'll definitely increase the spread during that time. So it's important to know what news is coming up, right? So we're going to look at the market structure now. So technical analysis, this is where we are mainly concerned, okay? Because there's the next lesson which we do, I'll mention some stuff on some guys who've been successful even years gone by, and their methods are still working today. We'll just look at like a key points of them. We won't go in deep, but key points, and you'll see how it works hand in hand with the market maker method, okay? Because it's believed that what history repeats itself, as well as the analysis of how something has behaved in the past, it will be able to predict how it behaves in the future. Okay, so we're mainly going to be focusing on chart analysis. So the market structure, basically, we're just looking at, well, how is the market behaving? Okay, so like remember I said to you, there's the third one, which some guys look at. It's important to consider when we get into level 3, there's something which I'll show you guys concerning that sentimental analysis. That's basically when people have an attitude to say, this price is too cheap, this price is too low. You understand? Yeah.
I understand,
yeah. Samuel is back, okay. Okay, so basically the market structure, we want to see if that market is trending, right? We want to know if the market is trending, if it's consolidating, or if it's choppy. All right. So I don't think I drew the chart, so let me just draw for you guys. So basically a trending market, if it's a bullish market, it will be going up like this, trending up, right? If it's a bearish market, it will be going down like this, making lower lows, lower highs, right? That's a trending market. A consolidating market, it will be just in a tight range, hardly moving. A choppy market will be just looking really scary, you know, just moving up and down. That's when they don't want anyone to come in because they still want to figure out which direction they want to go. Okay, so we don't trade when the market is choppy, guys. Okay, we don't trade when the market is choppy. We want to trade trending markets. We all got that? Okay, so like as I said, bullish market, right? Higher highs, higher lows, isn't it? Bearish market, lower highs, lower lows. So maybe you guys know this, maybe you don't, but the terms are taken from the behavior of the animal. We know that bulls, they're very aggressive, bears are very slow and sluggish. So that's where the terms come from, the bullish and the bearish. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. So there's this interesting term. I don't know if you've ever heard it, but if you can remember this, as funny as it is, it will help you when you're trading. Because there's a saying in trading, it says bulls make money, bears make money, and greedy pigs get slaughtered. So what that basically means is that when someone is bullish, they don't just enter into like a bull doesn't just charge. So when someone is bullish to say that I'm expecting price to go up, they won't just enter when price is running a certain direction. They wait for the precise moment and they are a bull. Same with the bear. They wait for the precise moment and they sell their bear. But greedy pigs just see something moving and they jump in. That's where a lot of retail traders get hit.
Okay, I just wanted to show you something quickly on the website. For you to watch the rest of this full video as well as the full course of this level 1 forex trading course, you need to come and sign up here. It's completely free. Okay, so first subscribe to the YouTube channel, right, and then come and sign up here. All we want is we just want to be able to contact you so we can keep you updated with whenever we release some new trading stuff. So you just put your name, you put your surname there, your email address and your contact number. That's so that if you want to receive stuff via WhatsApp or Telegram, we can send you something. Now this is not going to be any spam. Quite frankly, myself, I've had enough with scams and spam and all that. So we're only going to give you some legit, genuine content that will help you. And then you can just come here and click. If you want just the free, you just click I want to receive free stuff, and then you'll be able to download as well on the website. Here we've got all trading books which are useful. I don't just put junk on here. So I'll give you the entire market maker trading book. I'll give you the entire, I think we've got some good psychology books. We've got a whole lot of stuff. You just come over to the tools here. Right, so once you sign up, you'll be able to watch the rest of this video. Okay, and you have to send your email address because that's how you'll be able to watch the hidden videos on YouTube. Okay, so you can come over here and then you'll be able to access, as you can see further down here, downloads. Okay, so you're gonna get this whole level 1 free. That's what I'm gonna give you. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this for free, but for now I just want to give it for free. Okay, and then you'll get these books on the left hand side. Okay, so I don't know how long I'm going to keep this for free, but for now, guys, I'm making this free for traders who really want to learn. So take advantage of it. All right, so and then you can watch the rest of the video. So happy trading, guys, and remember that the market is always right.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.